What I want to do today is bring you outside and show you my garden. I want to show you where the garlic is that I planted last fall. Garlic is pretty simple to plant once you get the hang of it. Trust me. Go from my experience. It took me 3 years to get it right. The very first year what I did is I thought I could plant it in the spring and it would grow. I'd have nice garlic in the fall. Well, it didn't work. The second year I planted it in the fall. I think it was a little bit too late and I didn't cover it either for the winter like with straw like I do now. So the second year it didn't work either. The third year what I did is I planted it a couple weeks earlier and I covered it for the winter. So the trick with the garlic is that you got to plant it early enough in the fall so it'll create a root, but it's got to be late enough so that it doesn't come through the earth. So you don't want it to come out because then it would probably damage the garlic. And then you have to cover it nice and cozy for the winter. So third time was a charm for me, and I've been increasing the amount that I plant. Now I never seem to plant enough, so I keep planting more and more. Last year, I gave some garlic to my sister-in-law, and instead of eating it, she decided to plant it. And what she did, she doesn't have a garden, so she planted it in a flower bed that she has along her house. And she sent me a message a couple weeks ago maybe, to say, look at my garlic, it's already growing, I'm so excited, and she sent me a picture. So don't ever feel that you can't plant because you don't have an official garden. There's lots of different options out there now. There's planters, there's big bucket size planters that you can like mesh that you can plant in. There's all kinds of options out there. So even just a flower bed along your house seems to work well too. So let's go outside and check out the garlic to see how it did through the winter. I don't know if you've seen it yet, but I do have a video out there that I did last fall when I planted my garlic in the garden. So now it's exciting, it's spring, although, I don't know if you can see, there's still some snow behind me, and there is still some snow. It's a little chilly today, a little windy, but it's a great day to just have a look at the garlic. I hope you can see it. Now I'm going to take the straw off of the rest of the garden. How my garlic looks after the summer, after taking off the straw. It seems to have survived the winter really well. I'll be putting this chicken-based fertilizer over it. It's like pellets, and I really like it. It works well. I'll update you again throughout the summer, looking at the scapes and how it's growing and when to harvest. In the meantime, don't be shy, subscribe to my channel, and check back again soon.